All right, since we're by a river today, I brought with us, we have an inflatable boat. We also have with it a little battery, or a big battery, and a trolling motor. And this thing packs up super small. I don't have to worry about insurance. I don't have to worry about docking fees where I live, storing it, winterizing it. You put it like this on the stern, and it's supposed to line up. And once it does, that is your pressure. Use my gauge on here, so when I go to do it in the future, I'll know how much PSI that it actually is. Went 2 pounds on the floor. All right, we'll shut this down. There's the other area that we have to inflate it to. Use the same little gauge here, a little measuring gauge. We did get oars with it. It does have these. I'll give you a crude. These are for holding the fishing poles in to these areas here. There's 4 of those. And then they give you a rope, patch kit, and some retainers for the oars. So this is going to get us on the water. Our maiden voyage. All of the products we buy, we usually are budget minded and ease of use. This is supposed to be 12 feet from stern to bow, bow to stern. It's roughly 9 feet, 3 feet, the cockpit. It's supposed to hold 5 people. It's not gonna hold 5 people. I mean, I guess it could. I'm excited about this, really. For anybody that's curious of how much it did take, on my pump, the meter, 0.8, 0.9, and then 2 pounds on the floor. I didn't do the full unboxing on the boat because it's just that bag that you saw inside a box that fits that. There's a little pouch bag that's going to go on that side with those 2 hooks that are over there. And now I'm installing these, which is, they're just fitted down in there. When you buy this, it does come with a manual pump, which is that right there. There is 3 seats, 1 there. There's like a bench in the middle, and then 1 over there, the bow. The convenience of being able to fill it up, haul it around quickly, inconspicuously when we do go boating.